everyone, I'm Mia from FineTech. Today I'm going to introduce you to the NJP 800 Capsule Filling Machine. This machine is suitable for small and medium-sized pharmaceutical factories, and its maximum capacity can reach 800 capsules per minute. It is fully compliant with GMP standards and capable of filling various materials, such as powders and granules. Next, I'm going to introduce you to the machine's components name. Let's take a closer look at this section. This here is the empty capsule hopper, and it operates with manual feeding. If you are looking for an even higher efficiency, we can provide you with a vacuum capsule feeder. And over here, this is the powder hopper. We simply need to load the powder into it, and from there, the powder will automatically enter the dosing disc. We can also provide you with an automatic powder feeder. Now, let's take a closer look at this section. This is where the mold is located. If your aim is to fill capsules with granules, we can easily achieve this by simply changing out the mold. This modification will enable us to produce granule capsules very efficiently. Now, let's take a look at the screen over here. It's equipped with a PLC touchscreen version, which makes its operation quite straightforward and user-friendly.
The hopper capsules drop to the capsule dispensing step. The powder in the dosing disc is compacted and filled into the capsules. Unqualified capsules are rejected. The qualified capsules enter the capsule locking station and output finished capsules.
This machine includes many advantages: high capacity, a small footprint, low energy use, and low investment, making it ideal for standardized capsule production in small to medium facilities. If you have any questions, you can click the link below to consult me. We may not be the best, but we might be the right fit for you. FineTech.